Good morning, dear students. Welcome to your EVS class. Today, we are going to start lesson number 16, The Story of Wheel, part 2. Children, what we had learned in last part? Invention of wheel and uses of wheel. And today, we are going to see means of transportation, land transport, water transport and air transport. As we read, the most of the important use of wheel is its use in the means of transportation. Yes or no, children? Whenever we want to use any type of transportation, so it is of required wheel. The use of wheel is very important. So let us now read about some important means of transportation. So there are three means of transportation: land, water and air. So first we will see land transport. The two main forms of land transport are road transport and rail transport. So first we will see road transport. It is very important mode of transport in India. Yes or no? Because as you are going anywhere, suppose you are going to school, market, so how you are going? By road only. So road is most of the important mode of transport in India. The different means of transportation for traveling by road are car, buses, trucks, auto rickshaws, two-wheelers, etc. Now, in that there are two types of roads in India that carry huge number of vehicles, that are national highways and state highways. Now what are national highways? National highways are maintained by NHAI, National Highway Authority of India. See, these are roads. These are only roads that connect all important cities of different states with each other. Now, what are national highways? National highways are road only, but that connect all important cities of different states. And what are the state highways? State highways connect all important towns of state only. State highways connect all important towns of within a state only, and the important places of state with the national highway. Now what are the importance of road? They play a very important role in transportation of goods and passengers from one place to another. Obviously, children, if your parents or you want to go somewhere, so who will help? Transportation only, bus, car, any type of transportation. And it is also important in goods. Goods means अगर आपको कुछ सामान अगर लेके जाना है, so that also means transportation will help. It is comparatively easy and cheap to construct road. The construction of road is very cheap, means उसका खर्चा बहुत कम आता है. Road enable easy contact between farms, fields, factories, market, etc. It is if we want some vegetables from farms. So if there were no road, so it is not possible. So because of road, it is very possible and easy to contact between the farms. Now your next is rail transport or railways. Have you everyone saw the railway? Everyone, you have seen the railways? Yes, rail transport are the best and the fastest means of land transport. It is also a very fastest mode of land transport for traveling long distances. The good trains carry very large quantities of goods. To skip the road traffic and pollution, people nowadays travel by metro trains. Now children, you know metro trains in Nagpur also. Now metro trains are there. So because of metro trains, the population will decrease. The metro are the modern rails that run in cities in India, particularly the crowded cities, where metro trains runs in the crowded cities. They have made traveling in crowded cities comfortable, fast and affordable. Currently, it is running in 10 cities in India, including Delhi. See, it is running now in 10 cities, including our Nagpur only now. And which was the first city? Kolkata was the first city to see the arrival of metro trains. In Delhi, approximately 2.76 million passengers travel by Metro Delhi. See, how many passengers? 2.76 million passengers travel by Metro Delhi. Your next is air transport. Air transport means traveling by aeroplane and helicopters. It is the fastest but also the costliest means of traveling. It is very costly. Aircraft takes us to very long distances in a few hours. Yes or no? It is very costly as it is very fast. Means if we want to travel very long distances in few hours, so we can use the aeroplane, but it is very costliest means of traveling. And it is thus it saves a lot of our time. Costly and perishable items are transported easily by air. Now, perishable means things likely to decay or go bad quickly. जो चीज़ें जल्दी खराब हो जाती है, that we can transport by aeroplane or helicopters. Air transport is very useful during natural calamities like earthquake, floods and famine. They are used to drop food, medicine and even evacuating people during such time. Means evacuation means to remove people from dangerous place. Children, आपने देखा होगा न्यूज़ में, if earthquake come, floods come, so who will take care? So who are providing all the things, all necessary things like food, everything? Yes, by aeroplane only. Aeroplanes that fly. Now see children, it is again very important. Aeroplanes that fly within a country are called domestic airlines. Means now our country is India, so the airlines which going within India are called domestic airlines, whereas those connecting different countries are called international airlines. Next, water transport. See, water transport is the process of moving people and goods by boats. As you know, water transport means traveling by boat, ships, etc. over a sea, ocean, lake, canal or a river. Man used water as a means of transport from early times. As we saw, from early times, man is using water transport. Cargo ships have been used for early times to transport goods. See, cargo ships means the ships which are using to transport goods like oil and other heavy goods between कंट्रीज. अगर आपको एक कंट्री से दूसरे कंट्री में अगर ऑयल भेजना है, सो कार्गो शिप्स और कार्गो शिप्स विल यूज्ड. So water transport is an important means of transport for trade between countries. So it is very useful and important mode of transport within a countries. Suppose we want to trade between India and America or India or with any other country. So water transport is very useful. The Indian peninsula has a long coastline with a number of important ports where ships are used for trading of goods. As we saw children in previous lesson, that peninsula has a long coastline and there are number of ports where ships are used for trading of goods. Now let's see what we have learned. Wheel. It is one of the most important invention of man. Yes, wheel is the most important inventions of man. Early man invented wheel to make their travel easy and more comfortable. Wheels are used in vehicles. Potter wheels, Persian wheels for irrigation. There are three main means of transportation. What are they? Land, water and air. So now I hope children you understood. Now what you have to do? You have to read the lesson. Okay. Thank you.